Welcome to Augmented Reality-based Engine Assembly and Disassembly. An internal combustion engine, V8 is a type of piston engine, which has 8 cylinders arranged in a V configuration. V8 engines are commonly used in high-performance vehicles, trucks, SUVs, and luxury cars due to their power and smooth operation. They are commonly found in vehicles like Ford F-150, Toyota Land Cruiser, Porsche Panamera, etc. Start the engine assembling process. Place the engine block. Place the piston assembly to engine block. Assemble camshaft seal. Assemble camshaft. Assemble cylinder head, bank 2. Assemble cylinder head, bank 1. Assemble oil sump assembly. Assemble valve door cover. Assemble exhaust manifold. Assemble intake manifold. Engine assembly training completed.
Check out grahasvr.com to learn more. Follow our social media handles to stay updated further.